create new project. I will name it Scribble and choose my background to green. Also don't forget to put FPS between 20 to 30 where I totally forget about that, but I corrected it. Now after creating the project, go to the top right side option and click add video to import your video. So now you have to draw frame by frame to make the scribble effect, so first choose your pen color to white. Start drawing it frame by frame, which will take you a lot of time and patience. Now it will look like this. I will fast forward the video of me drawing. After finishing your drawing, click on layer option, which is in bottom right side, and click the video to hide it, and go to the option and click on make move. Before exporting, make sure you uncheck the watermark and adjust resolution of the video. Create a project and change the resolution and other things you like. Now click on plus icon, click on media, and export the raw video. After that, export green video, which we edited and exported from Clip. Make sure you export green video after the raw video and select green video. Click on add effect, find chroma key, and apply it. Change the threshold and feather. Go to add effect, find glow on edge category and apply it. Change the glow setting and color as you like. You can split the green video from middle to change the glow color of splitted side. And that's it. Be sure to like, share and comment on my video, and you haven't subscribed to my channel, do subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video editing tutorial.
छुनु छ चन्द्रमा विश्वासै लाग्दैन तन्त्र र मन्त्रमा आफैले नगरी केही पनि हुँदैन।